How to install 3-light lacquered brass vanity light. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Unscrew the ball knobs from the back plate, then remove the mounting plate. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Align the holes in the back plate with the mounting screws. Attach the back plate using ball knobs. Unscrew socket ring from socket. Place the glass over sockets and secure with the retaining socket ring. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.